Training production sheet, product section. You can see and print production sheet, detail, fabric, component, instruction, specification. This is the photo for the catalog, the main tech image. Into the instruction panel, you can add as many images you need. When you add an image, you have to specify the size of the printout, small, medium, or full page. Specification for the making of the garment or for the packaging. You can import from another product or from Excel a bunch of instruction. You can select an insert point instead of adding. Into Fabric and Component tab, you will be specifying the different fabric and component if they are color and size dependent, the default quantity or the quantity per size. All size and color dependency will appear into the color and spec panel. Length for specification for component, our size label or zipper, specification for fabric per size, quantity specification for our component, our button. We're going to add some quantity for the larger size. And finally, specification measurement for the making of the garment. Select a line, edit, and change the measurement. Or we can specify the simple size. And in list spec library, we can use spec to extrapolate from the medium size, like grading. To create a new specification, you create the name, specify the amount of size, the simple index, the simple size, and the measurement, positive, negative, from your simple size. You can search in all fields a spec and export only code and specification. Open in Excel. Out of bounds need to be removed. Replace all. And we're going to sort, just searching for the waste here. And we can compare measurement.